Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this lecture, we have to discuss the second topic customizing hedge pattern. So, how to customize the hedge pattern that we have to see in this lecture. So, let's start with the second topic customizing hedge pattern. So, for that, here just open your software. Okay, here I have drawn one shape. So, I want to fill the pattern. So, all of you know just type h enter. Already I have discussed in first topic, and any of the pattern from here you can select it from the drop down list. Suppose you want to fill this pattern, select that pattern, hit on pick point and just pick point like this. Same way if you want to fill any other pattern, so from here just hit on this concrete pattern and hit on pick point and select it. Getting? Now see how you can customize this pattern whatever you have written. Suppose you want to increase the scale of this pattern, this concrete pattern. So from here, see property panel, here you can see the hedge pattern scale is given. From here you can increase the pattern like this, what you want. See, if you want to reduce this, select it, and manually also you can write down. So as per your requirement you can select. Same way, just skip. Suppose you want to do the changes, you want to customize this pattern, size or scale. So just double hit on that. Instead of using the H command, just double hit, you are under this H command. Okay. Now what you want to do? You want to increase this scale, from here you can increase, or if you want to decrease this scale, see, you can decrease this from here. Then finally hit on close H editor. Okay, you can edit the hedge pattern whatever you want to do. Same way again, just type H enter. Okay, suppose here I have shown you that how to increase or decrease the hedge pattern scale. Now other option is also given here in this property panel only. If you want to change the pattern solid gradient, so from here you can select it. Already I have shown you. Next is by layer. If you want to change the color of this of your hedge pattern, so what you have to do, first of all just double hit on this pattern, which color you want to change. So I want to change the concrete color pattern. So which color? Suppose I want to give green color, or any of the color which you want. Suppose magenta color, select that color. See here, the color of this pattern will change. Now same thing here also, just double hit in this concrete pattern only. If you want to change the background of this pattern, okay, so from here you can select any of the background, you can select from here. Suppose I have selected black. Finally close hedge editor. See, the background color is black and the hedge pattern color is magenta. Okay, so in this way you can change the color of hedge pattern, okay, and background color. Similarly, when you hit on this pattern, suppose I want to customize this pattern, okay, you can do it. Now the next option, here you can see angle in property panel only. Next option is given angle. So you can select how much angle. Suppose you want to give some angle, just select it. Suppose I want 45 degree. So write down, enter. See, the pattern will rotate at 45 degree. Okay, and all of you know in AutoCAD angle is taken from where? From the anti-clockwise. It will measure the angle from the anti-clockwise. Okay, so here you will get the pattern. How much angle? 45. Suppose if you want to change as a 60 or 70, whatever, so I have written 60, enter. See, now the pattern is at which angle? 60. Okay, from here you can change the angle. Now next thing is what, you can increase the transparency also, your hedge transparency from here, whatever. So to drag for from dragging here like this, you can increase it, otherwise directly you can write down 80, enter. Now see, the transparency is of this pattern is 80. Maximum you can go up to 90%. Okay, so now just you can type H enter from here also. Otherwise if you want to change, you want to customize this pattern, so just double hit on that pattern. So now from here, whatever, you can select the transparency 0, and angle also I want 0. Then press the enter. Now see, here you will get the, so you can change the angle and transparency also from here. Okay, in this way you can customize the pattern. Next thing which I want to show you here is what, suppose here also I have drawn any of the circle. Okay, suppose same pattern you want in this circle also, inside this circle whatever pattern we have selected, same pattern you want here also. So what you can do, just double hit on that pattern. See, the match property option is given, hit on that match property and select this object in which you want, oh sorry, first you have to select a double hit on that pattern, hit on match property, select the pattern which you want to apply. Okay, 1 minute. Better is to go from H and see match property is given. Use source H origin, use current origin. So whatever source object, current object, destination. Okay, I want to fill this pattern in this circle, just select that circle. In this way you can use the match property. Okay, same way next other option is also there, just hit on H. Okay, see the associative option is given here. What is this? Suppose here I have drawn two circles, suppose one, and same circle I want to draw here. Okay, now see the difference between associative and non-associative pattern. Use the H, enter. Any of the pattern you can give it from here. Suppose I have given this one pattern, so pick a point, give this pattern inside this circle. Same way now what I am doing, I have created this one, hit on this associative. Now here we have drawn the associative pattern. Now we have to draw the non-associative pattern. So just hit on that, uncheck this associative, any of the pattern, same pattern I am selecting, and pick up plane, pick it. Now see what is the difference between, when you select this associative pattern, what happen when you increase the size of this associative panel, automatically the pattern, whatever pattern you are using here, the size of that pattern will also increase. But when you select in this non-associative shape, and when you are increasing the size of this circle, see, circle size will increase but the pattern size will not increase. Okay, so this is the main difference between associative and non-associative panel. Okay, so this is all about how to customize Hatch pattern. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.